All right, look, I'm gonna land it. As you can see here, I need all the help I can get. I got Yeet for power and Kobe for precision. And then I got a little target right here. I feel like this is very wrong, but you know what? It's okay. I don't need it to be right. There we go. Literally can't miss now. Watch this. Oh, you see how solid that ollie was? Did it miss you? That was light speed. I'm sorry. That was too much power.
You're gonna get your army of pros to go pick up these 32 Jamba Juices for us?
Yes, and eventually I probably could. Give me a little time. I gotta get a couple trained first.
How are they gonna pay for it though? Yeah, who's
you don't
gonna
have to pay for it.
Are they gonna come and you're gonna give them money and they're gonna bring the money?
They steal it. They're crows.
Oh my gosh.
Check this out, my dude. From behind the chair. Oh, oh. I can sense it.
You're woke.
Are you filming? First of all, I'm wearing this weird hood. I feel like I have some Nightingale armor from Skyrim. I'm gonna do everything.
Okay, let's start outside.
Except for that big old thing and that one right there and that thing, I'm not climbing up there. I think I got some root beer on my board. That'll help me. I love root beer.
Come on, Dad!
Woo! Yo, what up? It's your boy, Young Biscuit out here. Uzi's rage. Gonna take a walk to turn me away. All right, look, I'm gonna land it. Why is this so hard right now? Oh, landed it. Oh my, look how high it went. Jeez. Oh. Where am I going? I don't know.
What's up with the doubt around here, Dan?
Oh no, I ain't got no doubt. I'm 100%
I mean
certain.
the doubt in you.
What do you mean? I don't have doubt.
No, you're not doubting yourself. I mean, everyone else doubts you.
Oh, I know. I don't know why. I'm 100% certain about everything.
Where are we?
Oh, this is a big slide. I don't even know if I can get up there. It's a cramped area. It's like this wasn't meant for tall people or something. Hopefully I fit down the slide. And hopefully I don't get shocked. I don't think tall people were made for this. All right, let's go. Here we go. Ah! That was terrifying. Where's Gabe? Watch out for the garbage can. There goes my board. Oh yeah! Gabe, come in, Gabe.
Nice.
My stomach is very empty. I feel like I'm very, what do you call it? Malnourished. Whew, that was a lot cleaner than I expected.
That was butter.
Wow, that was a crisp clap. Oh, that's my favorite trick. My name is Uzi Walker Dan. You can follow me on Instagram at Uzi Walker. I'll be posting some really cool stuff on there, like selfies and stuff no one cares about, but it's okay. Hey, there's a few events in history that really stand out. You know, like building the pyramids, like Martin Luther King's speech, like Martin Luther King's, like women's suffrage, the Boston Tea Party. You know what? This is gonna be one of those iconic moments. I'm lifting the curse of not being able to switch flip. That's what I was afraid of. Whatever. Welcome everyone to Persistence.
Oh yeah, jump on! There you go again! There you go again! Ah! Come on! Be careful with Nigel's knees.
Yeah, that's not gonna work, buddy.
Hello, Gabe.
How did you whistle like that?
What do you mean? What?
Who are you?
What are you talking about?
Other kids, we can't let you guys ride the scooters and then tell a little 6-year-old to come by that he can't ride a scooter.
Yeah,
you know?
I mean,
just some kind of.
I mean, they definitely don't have one of these. This is not a skateboard.
It's like Charlie Brown for me. All I hear is womp, 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 womp.
I'm used to being blind. It's okay. I gotta be like on Talladega Nights. I gotta skate with the fear. Hey, watch this. No one's right here, right?
No.
Wait, you're like right here somewhere. All right.
Weird enough.
What are you doing? Just relax, my guy.
I don't know. I did it.
Just relax. One leg, and now one leg is burning. So I feel like in order to skate, I have to do it to both.
Oh no.
Hey, look, I'm Gabe. Hey, Daniel, go do the hardest, scariest trick in the Braille house. Bow, 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 now, bow, 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 now, bow, now, bow, 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 now.
Yeah, Dan!
Is this a baton? What is this, Gabe? I'm wielding the almighty staff of infection. Hello! No, give me the loofah though. Thank you. I don't know why this is. Yeah, this is what I do every day. Usually I just do it all by myself, but yeah, it was windy today, so I had to have some other people. So refreshing. The water pressure on this thing's crazy. It works so well. Shouts out to that company. It's like, it's broken, it's still like a waterfall in here. I'm on a collision course with catastrophe. I don't know where I am.
Hold on, Dan.
You're gonna go do
Oh!
this.
Every time I come here, I lose everyone.
Oh look. Hey look, it's Nigel.
Where I just have the home.
Alright, well, that was that.
Braille skateboarding.
How do you know?
This is it. This is all you have. 5 minutes.
All right.
I cannot believe this.
What do you mean? Beanies won't fall. I'm scared of that hat, brother. All right.
Oh, I caught it. I caught it.
Beanies won't fall.
Should I try to clear the 5-stair?
Wow. Who knew we just need to feed him Carolina Reaper sauce to make him clean?
I'm channeling it.
It starts to intensify after like 2.5 minutes.
I'm absorbing its power. Carlos just left. It's minty. Oh, it does hit your stomach. I told you I'm absorbing its power.
Make it worse.
I've made some great leaps and bounds today. I thought I was only gonna make it to level 2, but I made it to level, I don't know, 1 million, 2 million? Lemons are spicier than the Scoville scale goes. So this is spice. This feels like my mouth's going Super Saiyan, but the lemon felt like my neck was gonna erode and I was gonna spill out
my body into the ground.
You alright?